Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create products on Odoo, so let's get right into it. Now, to create products, what you're going to need is something called point of sale. This is the module that you're going to be using to set up your products so that you can then forward them over into e-commerce and showcase them on your website. Now, in point of sale, you can install it, by the way, through apps or while setting up the database. It doesn't really matter. But what you're going to do is go into point of sale, and you're going to go into the products tab, go into products again, and here you'll see a list of all your products. Now, here to create a product, you're going to go into the top left and click on new. This will open up the product creation menu, and here you have a lot of options and a lot of settings which you need to modify. So first of all, I'm going to name it something stupid, such as clock, for example. You can forward to sales and point of sale. E-commerce will be here as well if you have that installed, which I do recommend if you hope to sell these on your website. And here you can go into a product type. You can select goods, which are material products, services, which are service products, and combos, which you can use for both of these. Now, I'm pretty sure goods can be either physical or digital products. In that case, if they're physical, click on track inventory. If they're not, just don't. And here, once you click track on inventory, just add the quantities. I'll add, for example, 2,173. Invoicing policy, you can select ordered or delivered quantities, doesn't matter, and set the sales price. I'll set the price to 20, and I'll set the cost at 3. With the taxes, you can set up everything you want, and then you can go and manage your sales options, your point of sale options, inventory accounting, and I'm pretty sure you'll also have e-commerce settings here as well. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Once you finish up your product, click here to save manually, and once that's saved, you can go back into your products menu, and as you can see, you'll see that product right over here. And that is all you need to do. As simple as that. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.